friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Nasrin Padasalai. In this video, I'm going to explain you about artificial seeds. This video is taken from exam point of view, that too for GATE Biotechnology exam. I have prepared this video in the notes format. I'm not going entirely theoretical based thing concept in this video. I have given few key points that might be asked as a question form in the GATE Biotechnology exam. As we all know, the exam is on February 13, 2021. You literally have 10 days time to prepare. This video is specifically for those who didn't even touch the book but they had downloaded the admit card. So it's for you guys. Just observe my video, take notes. Definitely you will clear GATE Biotechnology exam. So artificial seeds are nothing but they are nothing but these seeds where you will keep a explant and surrounded by gel like reagent. It will be just like a balls. Okay, wait, I'll show you. So I'll show you. So it will be just like this balls. Can able to see inside it you can find one explant culture surrounded by this ball like thing. It is a gelling agent, that is nothing. Okay. So then there will be nutrient element, growth regulator, gelling agent, and additional metabolic like antibiotic and antifungus. Okay, it is called artificial states. And we should know how the steps involved in artificial seeds. First thing is that in artificial seeds, zygotic embryos will not be used. Only somatic embryos will be used. It's a first important point. Somatic embryo means by using somatic tissue, not the reproductive tissue. Somatic tissue means leaves, okay, stem, flowers. Those are called as somatic roots, somatic thing. First thing is that establishment of callus culture. You should take the somatic tissue, you should cut them into thing and you should establish the callus culture. Next thing is that you should induce the somatic embryos. The next thing is that you should mature the somatic embryo and next is that you should encapsulate the somatic embryo. Sometimes in GATE they'll ask the flow of artificial seeds production. Okay, so you must know first thing is that establishment of callus culture. Next thing is that we should induce a somatic embryogenesis. Next thing is that you should mature the somatic embryo. Next thing is that encapsulation of somatic embryo. This thing another thing is that the encapsulated somatic embryo will be taken for gardening. Okay, here I had given a completely unrelated thing. This is in case of a reproductive embryo. Sometimes they might ask the different stages of the zygote. So embryo. First thing is a zygote. Zygote will give rise to two cells. One cell is called terminal cell. Another cell is called basal cell. The terminal cell will form cell embryo. Basal cell will form suspensory. Okay, now the basal cell will convert into globular cell. Globular cell will get convert into heart stage. Heart stage will form torpedo stage. So zygote, basal cell, globular cell, heart stage, torpedo stage. Okay, the next thing is that we had seen this and we are going to see what are the type of gelling agent used and what are the complexing agent used. So this is a very important slide, guys. First thing is that gelling agent and another thing is that complexing agent. This gel and complexing agent should be mixed together. Okay, the bond formed between the gel and a complexing agent is ionic bond. Make sure it is an ionic bond. So first commonly used gelling agent is sodium alginate. The complexing agent is calcium chloride. The next gelling agent is cargine. The complexing agent is potassium salt. The next commercially available gelling agent is gellerite. The complexing agent is it is nothing but since it is commercially available, we should lower the temperature. So here you have to see, you have to prepare sodium alginate and you have to prepare calcium chloride. So when you mix them together, there is an ionic bond formation between the sodium ion and a calcium ion. The hardness of the artificial seeds is based on amount of ions that are transferred between the sodium and calcium. So below diagram explains this procedure. So if you see here, Here it is a sodium ion and the strand is an alginate. When you add them in your calcium chloride, the sodium ion and calcium ion form an ionic bond and they form a complete mixture like kind of thing. They form a network. Okay, it signifies the formation of artificial seed technology. So in the artificial seeds, what you had seen, artificial seed steps. Okay, then what are the agents that are added along with the gel mixture, and next thing is the gel and the complexing agent, and what is the bond forming between the sodium ion and calcium ion. Okay, definitely this video might be useful for you. If you have any doubts regarding this video, do comment section. You need to say. If you need any other topics like this, a simplified notes, please do tell in comment section. If you like my video, click like. If you didn't subscribe to my channel, please subscribe so that I can keep myself motivated. All the best for your exam. Thank you.